Hi, this is Joe Watt. I wanted to do a video here on where the pendulum comes to rest. A very, very important topic when it comes to streaming and streaming media. Um, this particular subject came up when one of our board advisors, whose name is Ben Keane, came to us. Probably I think it was late last year, maybe the second quarter last year. And he joined the team. We actually met at IBC, had dinner there in Amsterdam, and he had been writing about the pendulum, and the pendulum keeps in the streaming industry keeps swinging from one side to the other. So it's swinging from an advertising based model, and it's swinging back to a subscription model, and then they swing back to some advertising and some subscription. Yet the users, you really don't want the ads, and they don't want to pay for the subscription. So, what can you do? And that's when I start talking about this concept of when the pendulum comes to rest. Now, it's a bit of an elephant in the room, right? Because most companies want to make money, through being able to get their subscribers to to pay and to keep paying. But it's also very difficult to continue to provide them with value and to prevent them from subscription cycling. So here the concept of the pendulum coming to rest is very much around a place in the middle where the pendulum can stop, and that's tokenization, that's Web3, and that starts with watch to earn. And so by tokenizing the experience, which you can see here, on my smart TV, I'm earning tokens, as I watch. Well, I can either, I can use that as the utility of that can be to pay for a pay-per-view event, a movie, or to cash them out. And so, I want to watch longer and I want to watch advertising content, but then sometimes I may want to watch premium content, which is going to be ad free. Also opens up the possibility for skippable ads. So, but is there money in it for streaming platforms? Yes, but not for all of them. I think half to 2/3 of streaming platforms will not make it through a transition to Web3. And the Web3 is kind of it's one of those compounding tsunamis. You feel like it's everything I'm seeing going on in the Web3 space is moving extremely quickly. And every time there's a downturn in the market, that means is that there's more development going on in the background that you don't hear about. But why is there money to be made for streaming platforms? Well, you'll have to talk to us, but I can tell you that token appreciation is a clue in this space. So it is about new models and it is about getting better, but it's about getting a lot better. It's about gamification, and it's about a singular experience. Earning tokens, buying tokens, spending them, and people don't want to give over their credit cards anymore. People don't want the monthly subscriptions, and you can bet on the customer. The customers will get what they want, and Web3 is there to give it to them, and Edge is the place to do it for video. So thanks for tuning in.